How to change Google Play Store country. Hi everyone, once again I'm back with another tutorial video. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can change your location on Google Play Store. For that, make sure to watch the video till the end and also make sure to check your internet connection. So then let us get started. First of all, open up your Play Store application. So once you open up your Play Store application, in the top right corner you can see a profile icon. Tap on it. From the drop down menu, tap on payments and subscription, which is on the third step. Once you do that, on the other page tap on payment methods. So on the other page you will land inside the information of payment methods. So then tap on more payment settings, which is right at the bottom. So as you tap on it, on the other page you will land into some kind of web page. So from here you'll have to tap on add a payment method, which is right at the bottom. Next page you can see right at the bottom there is billing address. Tap on it. You can see my current location. So in order to change it, you'll have to tap on the arrow icon, which is right in the corner. As soon as you tap on it, on the other side you have a list of countries name. So from here you can select on any random country. So then tap on it. Once you're done selecting the country, next you'll have to provide all your card detail. And once you're done entering the card detail, all you have to do is tap on save and your location will be changed automatically. Not only the location will be changed on your Google Play Store, but also in all other applications that is currently on your device. And that is how you can change your location on Google Play Store. That is all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, then make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.